Welcome, my dear followers. I am giving you a very nice pastry recipe. First, add 2 cups of warm milk to the bowl. Cup size 200 milliliters. Add 20 grams of sugar. Add a packet of instant yeast and mix well. After the yeast has melted, add a glass of oil. Separate 2 eggs for brushing on the yolk of one. We add flour to get a little consistency. Mix well to avoid clumping. We add flour again and add 10 g salt and mix. We have nothing to do with the beater. We continue with the spoon, adding flour. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I used a total of 6 cups of flour in this recipe. We cover it with cling film and wait for fermentation. Where are you watching me from? Please write in the comment section. Fermentation is very nice. We lubricate our hands with oil because it is a soft dough. Let's do it this way to remove the yeast smell. Let's spread the dough on the baking paper on the tray. Let's spread it evenly on the tray with our hands. Let's oil our hands to shape. I shape it with my fingertips. Let's make it so that the fingertips touch the tray. I used cheddar cheese and cow cheese, and I used a little parsley. This is how I build the places we shape. A very nice recipe in form and content. Definitely try it. Let's do it this way first, a mixture of cow cheese and parsley. I use cheddar cheese on them. After using the cheese completely, we cover it and make tray yeast for 20 minutes. "20 minutes later. Add a little milk on the egg yolk you have separated, mix, and spread it on. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Bake in the oven. It smells like wonderfully cooked. Wait for 5 minutes to serve. I'm taking a piece to show you. Thanks for watching me. Enjoy your meal. See you in new videos.